Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair. Guys, our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will show you how to remove and replace side window. If you need to remove it, if you need to replace it, one is broken, we'll show you how to do that. So stay with us, guys. We're working on that CLK today. Okay, this one is a 320 specifically, but it should cover the other models as well from 97 all the way until 2003. Stay with us and let's go ahead and start on it now. Alright guys, first we'll need to disconnect the battery at least 30 minutes before we proceed, because we'll be close to the side airbag, so we want to make sure that there is no charge at all. We're going to disconnect the battery now, okay, the positive and the negative ones, and let it stay at least 30 minutes, recommended even more than an hour before you proceed with the next step. So we'll be using a 13mm wrench to disconnect the battery post. Okay, this one is out. Now we need to do the negative as well. Do not close the trunk now, because sometimes the key will not work, guys. Manual unlocking. I'll show you why. Make sure this one is not touching the post. Pull it to the side there. So we will actually put a plastic cap there, okay, to make sure that it's not contacting the battery. This is the lock that gets stuck sometimes. If it hasn't been used with a manual key for a while, it will not work. We have a video how to open it if you accidentally get the trunk stuck. So next we'll need to remove the cover for the mirror. Somebody already installed a screw there, and I'll show you why. There is two clips holding it, which you need to pry. Okay, one right here and one towards the back. You can see that's where they're broken, because somebody didn't remove it the way they were supposed to. So we'll just get it out of there like that. Okay guys, next we'll need a prying tool. Those you can buy them on Amazon. We usually get those really cheap, and they do the job really good. And right here on the bottom there is a place where you can pry that cap. Okay, and it's, believe me, this one is really tight. So you have to go around it a little bit. Okay, like that. You pull it out. You can see where the clips are. Holds really good. We'll need a Phillips screwdriver, and there is one screw that we will need to remove there. Okay, let's see if we can get it out. You can see how big it is. Next, with that same prying tool, okay, we're going to remove the cap for the airbag. Okay, this one here, you can see it just pulls out. So underneath, another screw with a Phillips screwdriver. Okay, like that. Another one here on the lock. It's a little screw now, so we can remove that plastic piece. Perfect. Next we have three more that we need to remove with the same Phillips screwdriver. Pretty easy procedure so far, guys. Okay, the one there as well. Okay, perfect. This one should come off. It's stuck a little bit. Okay, on the rubber part right there. Next we'll need to remove that switch. Here you need to start on this side, then the top and bottom with the prying tool. Okay, I'll show you where the clips are. Okay, the wires we need to just pull it out, and I'll show you where all the clips are now. One is broken. You're supposed to have a clip here. This is the bottom one, this is top right here, and this is towards the front. Okay, so this is out of the way now. Alright guys, with that prying tool now, you can use a screwdriver, but you might damage the paint and the panel. Okay, you need to start prying the clips off. Okay, and there is a few of those. Okay, you can see we have more. Now we need to go up, okay, right here. So you just grab it up, pull it up to make sure that this comes out of the hole. Now we'll need to disconnect the handle. Okay, the interior door handle. So let me just get a good view there. Okay, that's how we're going to do it. Perfect, just like that. We need to disconnect the wire on the bottom for the light. And this one has melted here actually. Okay, it came out. Let me show you now. That's what it looks like. So now guys, that's the door panel. Let me show you all the clips on it so you know where to apply pressure. This is towards the back. Okay, you can see on the bottom we have 6, 2 on the front side, and this is the thing that goes in right here on this seal. So that's the one you need to lift up at the end. Alright guys, next we will need to remove the 2 speakers. There is 3 screws with a Phillips screwdriver that we will need to remove, and we will need to disconnect the wire as well. Stay with us, we will demonstrate how to do that now. Squish both of those towards each other and pull it out. This is the speaker, another one here. We got the screws loose, so we can save you a little bit of time trying to make the videos as short and concise as possible. Okay, one there as well. We got it out. Alright, next we'll need to pull that insulation. So you will need to review that one when you install it later. Careful not to break it. You have to gently remove it a little bit at a time. Alright guys, so now we will roll the window down with the button, of course, and you need to get it, okay, that bolt right here. We're going to remove this one right now, and this is with reverse torque socket or wrench. In our case, we don't have a wrench. We have sockets, but they won't fit because they're deep sockets. We used 8mm, okay, and you can see that's how it comes apart. But we'll recommend using the right tool, and we'll have it in the description on our website, guys. Check out the website if you need the tools. We share everything there. Okay, this one is just with a 10mm now on this side. We need to do exactly the same thing now. Okay, almost there now. You can see pretty long bolt on both sides. That's one thing about our website, guys. We're building it now. We have every video there soon. We'll share all the tools, list of tools, and where you can buy them from on Amazon, the cheapest place usually, so you can save some money that way. Okay, that's how it came apart, like that. The easiest way to do it now is to use a T30 socket or a screwdriver, and we'll need to remove, okay, this one here now. And this one is really tight, so we'll need to use the impact on this one. Yeah. Okay, we took it off. We had to use a little impact, a little bit more powerful than us. And here later there is some adjustment that you can do up and down. You can see, so you need to make sure where it was. In our case, it will need to go up later when we install it. Now we'll need to remove that seal. You can just use a screwdriver and gently pry. Do not bend that piece because there is a metal plate running in it, and if you bend it, it will not look good later. So now we can grab the window and you can just pull it out. Okay, like that, guys. So that's how you remove and replace the side window on Mercedes CLK. Thank you guys for watching. Please. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.